The hell happened?
Propane tanks caught fire. Ammo was in there, the place just blew.
Shit.
Yeah, the fire dick says it was arson. Saw a lot of boot prints.
Cowboy boots?
Yeah, I think so.
Shit-eating mines, man.
Where the hell was Rodrigo?
No sign of your watchman.
What's the exposure?
Officially? Me and the fire department. The fire captain can be convinced to rethink his report.
Unofficially?
Unofficially, this blast was seen in 2 counties. This location is dead.
Jesus Christ. The M4s.
Gone. As are most of the Glocks.
Get the firemen on board. Don't want this shit hitting ATF's radar. Let's get out of here.
I don't know, you gotta see something else.
Do we really? God damn. Fried and refried.
They're illegals, part of our assembly crew.
We found them before the FD went through.
After the smoke clears, get rid of the bodies.
What am I supposed to tell our boys up in Oaktown? I'm supposed to deliver 5 cases to Leroy and his crew before tomorrow morning.
Call the gangster hotline, set a meeting. Two in the back of the head, quick and painless.
It ain't easy being king.
Yeah, you remember that.